enlisted the help of the all-powerful Emperor Zern.
Well, as you know, Mesa High is having their homecoming game this week, and they are attempting to take on my school, the Mighty Skyline. Oh, but our school spirit is hanging by a thread. I mean, we didn't beat Westwood in their homecoming game. Our swim team hasn't consistently taken first place in invitationals. We didn't have Joey from the Electrolytes at our talent show. What do we have going for us, really? Nothing. But that can all change if we can manage to destroy the spirit and tradition of Mesa High.
I see. Well, I am known for my appetite for destruction. But what exactly is your plan?
I'm glad you asked. We will hide away here in Andy's room and patiently wait for our time to strike. Once the kids leave, we will kidnap Mesa's mascot, Mr. Jack Rabbit, and force him to reveal the secret of Mesa's success. Quick, I think they're coming.
Rabbit, you creatures think you're so powerful, but we're in control now.
Yeah, tell us, Mr. Rabbit, how does your school have so much spirit, so much pride, so much tradition? I see. We are outnumbered. We are outmatched. Please, go easy on us. Wait a minute.
Now that's falling without style.
Good work, Rangers. The spirit of Mesa High was threatened today, but by working together, we prevailed. It's almost time for the big game. Time to carry on to infinity and beyond.